Hi, in front of me is VERNEE M5 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type iOS Launcher. Then download this app from this developer. Open it. Click Allow. And tap Home button. Select iOS Launcher, pick Always, and click Got it. Then click OK. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.